Hello everyone! So, kauwi lang namin galing sa check-up ni Aifa. So, dumaan kami sa Kamsa 5 Real Store. Tinatawag na Kamsa dito sa Saudi. Para bumili nitong ipis spray. Kasi nga, iniipis kami. Dahil winter, parang may nagsisimulang mag-ipis dito sa bahay. Kaya nagbili kami nito. And guys, hulaan niyo kung ano mga nabili namin. So, ang plano ito lang. So, tingnan niyo naman, oh. Charan! So, ang dami naming nabili. Imbis na isa lang dapat ang bibilhin namin. Nakabili kami ng ice cream. This ice cream is 5 reals.
And this is
Ice cream for on winter is good.
also that's 5
And this is 5 reals. So, lahat ng items na nabili namin is 5 reals. Itong bouquet na to is 5 reals. 5. Tapos, itong lettuce is 3 reals. Hindi pa to 5 reals. 5 reals ang kilo. Pero at ito nag 5 reals. Kaya 3.33 lang. And I have this grapey. The giant grape. Tadaan! This grape is 15 reals. So, the kids' favorite. And the juices, 2 pieces for 5 reals. Yay!
another 5 years.
Another 5 reals. Yeah.
And for me.
This is for me. This is 2 pieces, 5 reals. Where's the other one?
I don't know.
Oh, we forgot the other one. You put ready? Okay. And then this is their snack sa kanilang baon. This is 5 reals also.
And also 5 years.
This is also 5 reals. No, this is 11.
I
11.
sorry.
Ay, sorry.
And cookie ito.
Cookies itong 5 reals. What else? We have this Oreo na pang breakfast nila. Sobrang sarap nito. 5 reals lang din.
And
Another
rocks.
5 reals. And another
5 years.
cornflakes is 5 reals. So, ang ganda dito kasi may mga store na mura lang yung bili, tigpa 5 reals lang. So, mayroon silang fruits, vegetables, lahat ng items. May mga damit. So, lahat ng kitchenwares, gamit sa kusina. So, look at them. They're having their grapes on ice cream. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. Thank you.